if you're building a home lab and you're thinking about buying a rack server. Stop. There's a better way to get more compute, lower power bills, and near-silent operation. This guide breaks it all down. A good Homelab node needs 5 things. A 64-bit CPU with virtualization support. At least 16 gigs of RAM. More if you plan to run multiple containers. An NVMe SSD for fast storage. Gigabit wired Ethernet. And it needs to do all of that quietly and efficiently. Compare a used rack server to a mini PC, and the difference is stark. A rack server pulls 150 to 400 watts, runs at 60 to 75 decibels, and costs hundreds in electricity every year. A mini PC pulls 12 to 18 watts, runs silent, and fits in your hand. 4 of them beat one server on compute per dollar spent. Here's what the math looks like across 4 nodes. Under 80 watts total for the whole cluster. Under $800 to build it. About $70 a year in electricity. And enough RAM to run 20 or more containers simultaneously. 3 mini PC models are proven for this use case. The HP EliteDesk 705 G4 with a Ryzen 2400G. Great multi-threaded performance. The Dell Optiplex Micro with Intel Core. Excellent driver support. And the Lenovo ThinkCentre M75Q Gen 2 with Ryzen 4000. The best performance of the 3, up to 64 gigs of RAM. All 3 are available used between $80 and $200. One gotcha, watch the revision number. The EliteDesk G3 has older A-series chips. Avoid it. Always verify the exact model on cpubenchmark.net before buying. Target scores above 5,000 for the primary nodes. The power savings alone justify the switch. Running 4 Mini P CS 24/7 costs about $70 a year. A single rack server costs over $400. That's $330 a year in savings. Money that pays for hardware upgrades instead. You now know why Mini P sees beat rack servers for a Homelab cluster, what to buy and what to avoid. Next up is installing Proxmox VE, the free hypervisor that turns each machine into a full virtualization host. Full guide with exact specs is linked below. See you in the next one.